Hi, let's see how we can save some money on idle resources and specifically with duplicate Cloudtrail trails. And you can see it's very easy to fix. So let's dive in. First, what is a duplicate trail? AWS Cloudtrail can support multiple trails, including multiple trails that monitor some of the same events. So your security team might create a management events trail for audits, and the first one will be free. So you can see here management events that the first copy is free and additional copies are charged at $2 per 100,000 events. And if you create another management event trail that duplicate the event recorded, then you will pay a fee. You can also check here for data events pricing and Cloudtrail Insight pricing. So to detect duplicate trails with AWS billing, you simply have to go to the billing service and then bills section. You have to select Cloudtrail and region, like say here North Virginia. And then if there is a paid events recorded in a region, then you have duplicate trails. So for example, here there is data events recorded. So you will pay that price here. Then there will be free events recorded. You pay 0. Then inside events, so you pay that price, and paid events recorded, and you will pay that price here for nothing. And you can see here the number of events. So around 25 millions here for both free events and paid events, which means here that you have a duplicate one. To find them all, you can either query the query with Athena. So this is one example of a query that you can retrieve on the query library on the catalog workshop of AWS. And you will have something of a result like this one with all your account ID and also your usage type, like data events recorded or paid events recorded, and also the usage amount and the sum line item unblended cost, which is here the amortized cost. So if you pick this for 1 month, it will be your monthly savings if you delete them. You can also search them by using Cost Explorer service. Free events recorded will always be a copy which is free, and the paid events recorded will be indicating duplicate events. So to fix it, you simply have to delete the duplicate trails. This is really easy. So first you have to review your Cloudtrail trails and avoid duplicate management events. So for that, you can look at the API activity right here. And in AWS, go to Cloudtrail service, then trail section, select the one you want to delete and click on either delete button or stop logging button.